So, naming parts of the drum kit. If you can't name all the parts of the drum kit, whether it's this one, the one at school, or the one that you've got in the house, this video is definitely for you. It's important to know the names of the parts of the drum kit. For one, a general understanding of the instrument that you're learning. Two, graded exams, especially the early ones, you are expected to know and will get asked in your exam to name parts of the drum kit. Three, in lessons, a lot of time is spent reminding pupils what the parts of the drum kit are called. So if it's the hi-hat, snare drum, high tom, okay, you should know all the parts. Made it dead easy for you. In the next little clip, okay, I'm going to give you a bit of a drummer's eye view of the drum kit, and you're going to hear what the drums sound like individually. Obviously you'll see what they look like, and what I would love you to do in the house is watch the next clip a few times per day over the next few days until you've memorised it, okay? Shouldn't be too hard to do. Just say the names out loud while you're watching the video. Definitely watch it a few times a day, it won't take long. Once you've learned it and you're confident that you've memorised it, there's going to be a bit of a fun video next, and it's a test to see whether you can name the parts of the drum kit based on what they sound like. So you won't see them, you'll only hear them, okay? And it's just a bit of fun, something to do, and hopefully it'll help you learn and memorise the names of the parts of the drum kit. So good luck. Any questions at all, stick them in the comments section. I'll do my best to answer them. We'll see you in the next video. So what do these drums sound like? Hopefully you'll know a little bit more about this by now. The snare drum, high tom, medium tom, floor tom. You'll notice that they get lower in pitch as they go down, so the smaller the drum, the higher the pitch. The bass drum is that nice thud. We've got crash cymbal, which remember to hit on the edge. On my drum kit I've got another crash cymbal, but we don't always have this. Ride cymbal. And then finally we've got hi-hats. Hi-hats have two sounds. We've got the closed sound and then open sound.